Welcome to 63 Sawmill Circuit at Sumner. This is Maison Real Estate. Come along with me and I'll show you around inside this property. As we approach the front, on the left you'll notice the double lock-up garage. It has remote access and an internal entry into the home. And as we come inside, I'll show you through the living areas first. At the front is the lounge room, and adjacent to that the dining room. And then through to the rear we have the spacious open plan tiled living areas and the kitchen. The kitchen has fabulous stone benches, gas cooking, stainless steel stove and dishwasher, of course. And it also has a spacious walk-through pantry that has access to the laundry. While we're on this level, we'll just have a look at the powder room, and there's also a storage closet there. And then take a look outside. We have an under roof pergola alfresco area and a fully fenced, very low maintenance yard. And there's a lovely bushland aspect at the rear as well. Stepping back inside, and we'll go upstairs and take a look at the other living area and bedrooms and bathrooms upstairs now. At the top of the stairs is a spacious open plan rumpus teen retreat area. It also has additional closet space. And then going through to the rear, we have the master bedroom we'll look at first. It's a good sized room, and it has a large walk-in robe and of course an ensuite. The ensuite has double vanity as well as stylish shower. And then taking a look at the second bedroom, which is adjacent to the master. And all these bedrooms also have built-in wardrobes. I should also mention there is ducted air conditioning throughout the property, upstairs and downstairs. Now taking a look at the third bedroom. And adjacent to that, also at the front of the home, is the fourth bedroom. This is a double-sized room as well. And then finally, adjacent to that, we have the separate toilet and then the main bathroom, which of course has a separate shower and tub. I hope you've enjoyed your walkthrough tour of 63 Sawmill Circuit at Sumner. This is Maison Real Estate. For further information about this property, please contact the office.